Hey guys, Paris has been raining for quite a bit. But today is a nice day, so I'm gonna go out and take some photos, and yeah, hopefully it's not gonna rain and it's gonna be a much better sunny day today. Let's go! So I'm heading to it's not one of the, but it's the oldest bridge in Paris, and I'm walking on the riverbank, the riverside of Paris, on the right side of Paris, because there's a left bank and right bank, that kind of thing. I'm on the right bank, and yeah, it's a nice day. You're gonna see people just chilling with their friends, partners, dogs. I don't know on top of my head how many bridges there are in Paris itself, but there are plenty, and it's very convenient to get to one place to the other. Yep, a normal scene in the riverbank of Paris. A couple over there just now you saw people jogging, friends hanging out. You know, it's a simple life, and this is the type of urban life scene that I will always love to photograph. Because where I came from, you don't have such laid backness, to be honest. People are laid back, but this is not a level of laid back. And yeah, you see this ship coming through. I thought it's gonna hit the ceiling of the bridge, but didn't, obviously. I guess they always measure beforehand anyway. But I was just there, like enjoying the scene for some reason. I don't know, but yeah, it was nice to shoot that as well. And I just love taking shots of urban life here in Paris. Alright, so that's Pont Neuf. You can't really see it because it's sunset, but you see it's quite nice actually during sunset. But do watch out for certain weather. This area under the bridge was so flooded the day before. I'm gonna show you some photos or videos that I took 2 days before. There you go, that's Pont Neuf. And to be honest with you guys, I've been coming here for the past 4 or 5 days when it was raining, and honestly it wasn't pretty. It was very challenging to do some vlogs, take out the GoPro, even though it's waterproof, I know, but like I've got other cameras as well. So yeah, I don't think I shot much, but here are some shots I took when it was raining. Like, for real? You didn't think I was gonna notice that? Welcome to my vlog.
Rigolo. Ah bah bien sûr, on va voir le truc.
I don't know if you can see it closely, but right over there, there's a diamond-shaped emblem or something like that. I wonder if they keep diamond there. Will be very interesting. Today is really just a really nice day. You see the clear blue sky. People are just enjoying the day, you know, working out, just having some jogs, run, cycling, or just like people over there, they're looking at the sunset right now on the other side. So yeah, you know what, that's what Paris has taught me, the laid backness of the people here. You just have to be in the zone, be in the present kind of thing, enjoy the moment, and that's what I'm gonna do as well, enjoy the moment.
Yeah, caught this scene where that busker girl was just busking, singing, right? And then the cleaners came about to clean the area, and she just had to protect her equipments. Oh well, but she was really, really good. And yeah, here I was, waiting for the sunset, at the same time pondering about life. It's a topic that's very sensitive to me, and of course, during this time I also took some photos. You're gonna see one later, but yeah, again, I was pondering about life, pursuing that contentment in life through photography. And this journey has been quite challenging as well as very, very, very fun. I'm actually having the most fun of my life right now, and it's just really nice to be who I am right now at this point of time. And yeah, I've got an exciting news to share. I will actually be doing a solo exhibition here in Paris in a proper gallery, and not far from Pont Neuf. But yeah, I'll share that next time. Until then, enjoy my photos here, and au revoir!